Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, legends. How you doing? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're doing all right. I hope you're doing awesome in this beautiful day, in this awesome day, in this amazing day. Welcome back to the TheMoeShow, number 54, and with your host, Fawaz. And today is an incredible day. Today, we're going to review an awesome product called ProfitSuite. ProfitSuite, basically, it is 6-in-1 software app that provide you with different services that will save you up to $5,000, I think $5,000 a year. Gives you an autoresponder, gives you a webinar, gives you a webinar suite, gives you hosting suite, gives you file storage, a webinar, autoresponder, funnel builder, and graphic design software. So that's basically, like I said, it's a 6-in-1 software provider or software app that provides you with all these services in one. So basically 6-in-1 kind of suite. Okay, so beside that, if you're interested, of course, follow me and smash that like button, blow it up, and also subscribe. And yeah, if you're interested, come in, and we're gonna review it right now, right here. So let's go. Oh, hold on. Here we go. So okay, so ProfitSuite right here. Okay, so if you're interested, you gotta click on this green looking button, greenish, yeah, light green looking button scattered everywhere on the page. I made it green all over the place, so it's hard to miss. Until Wednesday, December 16. So basically, you gotta get the product before Wednesday, December 16. Sorry about that. Wednesday, December 16, before 11:59 to get my bonuses, all of my bonuses. If you're, like I said, if you're interested, the link is gonna be in the bottom in the description box, or also I attach it in the first comment just in case that you miss it. Okay, so when you are ready to go right now, let's go. I'll introduce you to the bonuses without further ado. Let's not waste any time here. Bonus number one, it's a bonus tutorial, list building on steroids. Of course, list building, as you know, is your asset, one of your assets in the business asset. So basically, that course will teach you from A to Z how to build your list, how to capture leads, how to nurture leads, how to make money for your leads, how to talk to your leads. Basically, that's it. Okay, so that's bonus number one. I attached here just because you have a suite, an autoresponder suite. So basically, you want to use that autoresponder suite by building your list. Okay, so bonus number two. Bonus number two is make a fortune with Facebook money. So Facebook money is how to make a fortune with Facebook Live. Everybody and their dogs knows about Facebook, of course. Facebook ads, there's courses all over the place, but a lot of courses I don't see they are introducing you to the live future. Live future started with horoscope, Periscope. It started with Periscope. That's where the future started, the live future, and then YouTube took it, and then Facebook took it. So basically, here in this course, they will teach you how to make money with Facebook Live from A to Z by the King of Marketing, Moez, right here. Okay, so that's bonus number two. Don't miss it. Bonus number three. Don't know what's going on. Okay. Bonus number three is make a fortune with Facebook. No, that's bonus number two. What am I doing? Facebook money. Okay, so I did a mistake here. It's supposed to be YouTube disclosed version. Okay, so I believe I made a mistake here. I don't remember what that bonus was, but I'll fix it up. I will get back to you after. I don't remember the bonus, but well, let's continue to not lose the time. Bonus number four, how to explode your YouTube channel, of course, with subscribers, with likes and love to your videos, and also views. That course will teach you from A to Z how to do all these things, of course, by the one and only Moez Fawaz, the king of marketing. Okay, so bonus number 5, the undisclosed bonus. This is the most important bonus out of all that, because this course is worth $500. That course from A to Z teaches you how to make money online. Like, without giving you too much information about the course, I call it the secret undisclosed bonus kind of thing, just to keep the suspense going. So basically, how to make money online from A to Z, and this course is worth, like I said, $500. So don't miss it. Okay. So again, if you're interested, you're gonna click one of those red button before the Wednesday 11:59. Wednesday, we said, what date was it? December 16th. Okay, and that's okay. So when you purchase it, when you go to the sales page, which I'm going to show you right now, when you go to the sales page, you purchase it, you're going to see access your purchase and access affiliate bonus. When you click access affiliate bonus, that's where you arrive to all my bonuses right here. Okay, so sorry about that again. Okay, so again, we're gonna jump into the sales page, and then I'm gonna show you the OTOs, all of them. OTO number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it's 5. Yeah. So let's check out the sales page. Get unlimited cloud. Where is my pen? Where's my pen? There we go. There we go. Let's make it yellow, or let's make it red. Let's make it red this time, because I never used the red. So let's reuse the red this time. Okay, so get unlimited cloud hosting, file storage, webinars, autoresponder, funnel building, and graphic design for all your sites at a low one-time price. Okay, so that's it. You can check out the video. I also attach it in here in the bonus page right here. That's the demo video. It shows you exactly how to inside the software, inside the training. Okay, so that's the sales video. Okay, so let's check out this features. Okay, here we go. Red. Okay, so host unlimited websites and domains on our cloud hosting servers. 100% uptime, unlimited SSL encryption, one-click WordPress installer, unlimited cloud storage. Host unlimited videos meeting. That's the webinars. Send unlimited emails, unlimited subscribers. That's the autoresponder. Create stunning drag and drop websites and sales funnel with our award-winning page builder. That's the page builder, the funnel builder. Design stunning graphics from done for you templates, of course, and 100% newbie friendly, no technical skills, experience needed, 24/7 support, and never lose your precious data, malware protection, of course. Okay, so let's continue on. Finally, the time has come. You can check out the sales page by yourself. Like here, like I said, he's gonna show you exactly how much money you can save from hosting to Photoshop editor, from Zoom, from Dropbox, from ClickFunnels, from Aweber, all that. So basically, all these services are attached into the 6-in-1 software app. And let's see, hopeless. Okay, bad option number 2. There we go. ProfitSuite. Okay, so here that's what automated ProfitSuite, unlimited cloud hosting, $997. That's unlimited cloud hosting. And then you got the HostGator, all that. Here we go. That's the video I wanted to show you right there. It's inside the bonus page, and we're literally handing you over to all of the apps, services your business will ever need, while performing 100% your monthly fees off the monthly fees. Watch our quick video demo to see for yourself. Okay, so that's it. Let's continue on, and I'll show you how much is it. I think it's $17, if I'm not mistaken. That's it. That's all. Okay, so it doesn't say, oh, because it's not launched yet. Okay, The launch is 11 hours, in 11 hours. Sorry. I'm doing it the night before. So basically this will launch at 11 o'clock, I think. So this video is going to be online at 10:30 or something, or 10 o'clock. So you can check it out by then. But until that's why there is no purchase button. Okay, so let's go to the bonuses. Sorry, not the bonuses, the OTOs. I'm going to show you all the OTOs. Okay, where are we? Here we go. Okay, so let's with my pen. Okay, so OTO number 1. So the ProfitSuite. Okay, too large. Okay, so the ProfitSuite front end is gonna be 17 with a downsell of $15. I believe you can also move the mouse. I'll show you. I will go back into the sales page because I think you can move the mouse and get a rebate or something. We'll see. ProfitSuite Pro, Unlimited Pro with $37, and then the downsell for $27. Unlimited Edition, of course. ProfitSuite Enterprise Edition, $47, and a downsell of $37. And Done For You Edition, that's OTO number 3. Done For You Edition, $39, and a downsell of $29. ProfitSuite Reseller Edition. Reseller, as you know, self-explanatory. Actually, you can resell the software. You can resell the product and get, I believe it's 100%, not 75. And also the last but not least, that's okay. So the number 4 reseller. Number 5 is the ProfitSuite IMX bundle. Not sure what is that, but let's check it out inside the software. It's $97 and a downsell of $67. And let's delete this, and let's jump inside the software itself. Here you go. This is the introduction video. Okay, and we're gonna get yourself right here, and let's make it yellow, because yellow. I like yellow. Okay, so ProfitSuite contact. Okay, design, webinar, host, funnels, storage, training, and support. Let's delete all that. Let's go here, design. So you have to register, and you can use it right away. Okay, let's escape that. ProfitSuite contact. That's the autoresponder. So you can complete your information right here, and you can go inside. Okay, funnels, host, suite webinars, suite storage, training. Training is the first thing I wanted to show you. Okay, so here the first training is here, the ProfitSuite contact, ProfitSuite design, ProfitSuite webinar, ProfitSuite host, ProfitSuite funnels, ProfitSuite storage, all that. You can check it out with the training first. So it teaches you how to do everything step by step. Okay, that's it. That's all, I think. Okay, that's it. And training, that's it. Training, support. Yeah, that's it. That's all. I'm kind of all over the place now because it's the end of the night, and I wanted to go sleep, but I didn't, because I wanted to do this to make sure that it's online tomorrow on time for you guys to get it. That's it. That's all. Thank you again for hanging out with the Moez show number 53. No, 53. Yeah, 53. And thank you again for being with me. The Moez show number 53. Moez Fawaz. And I forgot, of course, again. There we go. Back again. Okay. Thank you again for hanging out with the Moez show number 53. Thank you again for being with me, Moez Fawaz. Again, if you're interested, click on any of those green button on the page. You can arrive to the sales page, and from there you can get the bonuses and the purchase itself. I'm gonna attach everything, all the link also in the description box down there, and the first comment, if you in case you missed it. Also, if you didn't smash that like button, please do, and subscribe. Also subscribe to follow me and to follow all the updates and all the softwares that I'm doing a review of. And that's it. That's all. Have yourself a great day. Have yourself an awesome day. Have yourself a beautiful day. Amazing day. Be good. Be awesome. Be tremendous. And be the best version of your life today and every other day. Be good. Peace.